Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delph tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to change the ringtone on your iPhone so you can personalize incoming calls with a sound that you like. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you'll find various sound settings for your iPhone, including ringtones, text tones, notifications, and more. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, tap on Ringtone. At the top of the list, you'll see your currently selected ringtone. By default, many iPhones use the reflection ringtone. To change it, simply browse through the available ringtone options and tap on any ringtone to hear a preview. When you find one you like, tap on it to select it as your new ringtone. You can also scroll through the Classic section, where you'll find older ringtone sounds that have been available on previous iPhone models. If you've purchased tones using your Apple ID, you can tap on Tone Store or download previously purchased tones and use them as your ringtone as well. Once you've selected a ringtone, the change is saved automatically, so there's no need to tap a Save button. You can return to the previous screen, and your new ringtone will be used for incoming calls right away. That's it! You have successfully learned how to change the ringtone on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.